Southwest 3606, airport 10 o'clock, 12 miles.
Insight, Southwest 3606.
3606, thanks. One more turn for you in just a second. Traffic out there, 1 o'clock, straight in for the north side out of 5000. It's an American Air A321.
Insight, Southwest 3606.
Southwest 3606, turn left heading 290, cleavage approach, runway 25 left. Southwest 3606, turn left now, heading 290, cleavage approach, runway 25 left.
They approach Southwest 3606.
Southwest 3606, turn left, 290.
Southwest 3606, Phoenix Tower.
2790, you have the 73 off your left in sight. Southwest 3606, turn left immediately, heading 280. 2790, cancel approach, clearance, turn right, heading 360. Traffic alert, traffic off your left, north, 73 at 4000.
Tower traffic order arrival at 3000 for American at 2239.
3606, turn left immediately, heading 240, traffic alert, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, turning northbound, 4000, American Airbus 321.
Southwest 3606, Phoenix Tower.
American 2079, climb, maintain 5000 immediately, turn right, heading 360.
And approach, Tower, Southwest 3606. Can I get a frequency for approach?
3606.
Southwest 3606, you're not able to reach him on 192?
I'll switch. With you at 4000.
Southwest 3606, you're still with Tower.
2079, climb, maintain 6000.
6000, American 2079.
South 3606, Phoenix approach. South 3606, Phoenix approach. South 4850, airport 10 o'clock at about 2 miles.
Insight, Southwest 4850.
That's 4850, thanks. Spend LT, maintain 5000 for now.
Okay, climb up to 5000 for Southwest 4850.
Thanks. Any company out there, I'm not sure what he's doing, 4000.
Okay, firm.
South 3606, Phoenix approach. South 3606, turn left heading 180, vector back to final.
Right 360 and 6000, Southwest 3606.
South 4850, turn left heading 290, can you still make the airport there?
South 290, Southwest 4850, we can make it.
South 4850, turn left heading, taxi standby. Traffic is just off your left there, it's the company 4000, I'm not sure which way they turned. Do you have them in sight?
Yeah, we got company over runway 26, Southwest 4850.
So on Southwest 3606, Phoenix approach, how do you hear?
We've got you loud and clear when the right turn to 360 at 4000.
South 3606, thanks. Climb, maintain 5000.
Up to 5000, Southwest 3606.
Southwest 4850, cleavage approach, 125 left.
Clear approach 25 left, Southwest 4850, we have that traffic set.
Thank you, American 2079, turn right heading 080.
Right turn 080, American 2039.
Southwest 3606, climb, maintain 6000.
6000, Southwest 3606. So Southwest 3606, we going to 26 tonight?
3606, which runway would you like?
We're set up for 25 left if it's available.
3606, you can expect it. And what happened back there? You lost comp?
Yeah, I switched frequencies too soon and we lost you.
3606, okay. Turn right heading 180, vector runway 25 left, send to maintain 4000.
Right, 180 down to 4000, Southwest 3606.
Southwest 1133, reduce speed to 170.
170 knots, Southwest 1133.
Southwest 3606, turn right heading 230, descend to maintain 4000, airport's 2 o'clock and 2 miles.
Right 230 down to 4000, airport's in sight, Southwest 3606.
South 3606, heading 230 to join final, clear visual approach, runway 25 left.
Alright, 230 to join final, clear visual 25 left, Southwest 3606.
Southwest 3606, contact tower 120.9er.
Switch to tower, Southwest 3606. Tower, Southwest 3606, visual 25 left.
Southwest 3606, Phoenix Tower 10903, runway 25 left, quit line.
Clear line 25 left, Southwest 3606.